Dear students, welcome to this video lesson. The title of my today's lesson is British versus American Pronunciation, Phonetic Differences. In my previous lessons, I have discussed the grammatical differences, the lexical differences, as well as differences in spellings between British English and American English. And in my today's lesson, I shall be specifically highlighting the phonetic differences between the two. So, the very first difference. What happens when R is in the middle position of a word? In British English, the letter R in the middle position of a word is silent. That is, the sound R is dropped out while pronouncing the word. Whereas in American English, the letter R is not dropped. Now, please listen carefully. I would be giving you the British English pronunciation and also the American English pronunciation for the following words. British English pronunciation is birth, turn, learn, work, farm. Whereas the same words are pronounced in American English as birth, turn, learn, work, farm. So, the difference is that in British English, the letter R in the middle position is silent, whereas in American English, it is not. Now, the next difference is that when the letter R is in the final position of a word, it is again dropped in British English, but it is quite prominent in American English. For example, British English pronunciation for the following words is other, clever, father, mother, color, doctor, whereas the same words are pronounced in American English as other, clever, father, mother, color, doctor. So, the difference is that in British English, the letter R is dropped, whereas in American English, it is pronounced quite clearly. Now, the next difference is that when T is in the middle position of words. Now, what happens? In American English, the letter T or the sound T in the middle position of a word is sometimes articulated as a soft D. Whereas in British English, the sound T is prominent. So, for example, British English pronunciation for the following words that are highlighted over here are Saturday, waiter, matter, letter, party, what about, sort of, part of. Whereas in American English, the pronunciation is as follows: Saturday, waiter, matter, letter, party, what about, sort of, part of. So, in American English, the letter T in the middle position is sometimes articulated as soft D or the sound D. Now, towards the end of my video lesson, I would like to highlight the phonetic differences between American English and British English in some of the common words as highlighted over here. The letter Z. In British English, it is Z. In American English, Z. In British English, the pronunciation is fast. In American English, the pronunciation is fast. British English, chance. American English, chance. British English, dance. American English, dance. British English, either. American English, either. British English, neither. American English, neither. British English, leisure. American English, leisure. British English, was. American English, vase. British English, patent. American English, patent. British English, address. American English, address. British English, route. American English, route. British English, garage. American English, garage. British English, advertisement. American English, advertisement. British English, laboratory. American English, laboratory. So dear students, these are some of the phonetic differences between British English and American English. Keep practicing and hope to come up with more such video lessons in the area of English communication. Thanks for listening.